The slicer is an alternative graphical display of a part of the filter options. In my profession, I don't use this function, but some people like it as it impresses the users of their reports, especially those who cannot use the filter. We would like the user of our report to easily be able to filter the table. Before adding the slicer, we need to convert the range to the table. After setting the active cell in any cell in the table, select Table from the Insert tab. There is a separate lesson about the table command in the Excel for Experts course. Knowledge from that lesson, though, is not required for this one. By clicking OK, we confirm that the range has been correctly recognized by Excel. From the Design tab, select Insert Slicer. This command is also available under the Insert tab. In the Insert Slicers window, select the columns we want to filter data for. There is no point choosing columns in which there is a different value for each item, like the number of customers or sales. But the range of customers is suitable, and we'll also choose City. After clicking OK, 2 slicers will be added to the worksheet. We can now move and format them. Their color schemes match the table. After selecting one of the customer ranges, the data in the table is filtered, and on the second slicer we can see which cities have salesmen with a certain number of customers. Cities without representatives with these ranges have a pale background. Using the Control and Shift keys, you can select several elements and freely combine the selections from both slicers. A white background means it is not selected. A pale blue background means it is selected, but no items in the selection match, and a dark blue background means it is selected, and there are items in the table that match the current selection. The use of the filter and slicer options is interchangeable. The slicer will be updated after changing the filter, and vice versa. The slicer is only updated within the limits of the options it offers. For example, selecting column G contains 8 from the filter will not be properly displayed in the slicer. The easiest way to remove the slicer is by selecting it and pressing delete on the keyboard. After deleting the slicer, the filter that was set up will still remain in the table. Remove it like an ordinary filter. I hope you have learnt something new thanks to the work we have put in to make this video. Please now do us a huge favour and recommend this course to your friends, so they too can learn how to use Excel properly.